Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Learning Guitar. We have the Neighbourhood here with a song called Lovebomb. And red is the color of love. And speaking of red, purplish, look at this cool guitar from Anchor Guitar. If you want to have a guitar like this, then you can use my coupon code. It's Gordon Guitar 10 to get 10% off. If you're like thinking on a new guitar, what should I get? This is a very affordable guitar as it is already. 10% off. It's a no-brainer. Great, cool guitar quality. I use it here on my channel for a reason. So yes, go grab one. Now let's go into this song from the Neighbourhood. We have 5 chords and they are kind of combining in a good meltdown here and creating this cool song from the Neighbourhood, Lovebomb. Let's go into it. And we have a capo set on the 3rd fret. That's the scenario for us. Let's go through the chords. We're going to start with C. So that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord will be G. And that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. A minor coming up there, and that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have E minor as well. Open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E, and we're gonna end with a bar chord, of course. That will be the F. So place your index finger on the 1st fret, push down all strings with all the power you've got, and then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. There we have all the chords. Now let's learn the strumming pattern. Go to C and play like this. So the first half is down, up, down, up. Short pause and then up, down, up. You put that together, it will be down, up, down, up, up, down, up. Alright, so there you have it. Now let's look into the chord progression. And it stays the same throughout the song. You're going to play C2, G1, A minor 1. That's the first half. Then second half will be C2, E minor 1, F1. And that just rolls. So C, C, G, A minor, C, C, E minor, F. Yes, guys, there you have it. Lovebomb, the Neighbourhood, and it's simple as is. Thanks for watching, and if you like this, then leave me a comment. Leave me a comment. I read everything. So, yeah, hope to see you soon. Till then, play tuned.